Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I recorded a trade that I made. So as you will see, or as you can see now, it's I was in crude oil short with 4 contracts. The initial risk are 20 pips, so it's $800, and I managed to make a good profit on this day. So it was a very long trade and a very nervous trade. So you will see that sometimes the trading is not so fun like we always think. The initial trade was I think about 1 hour till it was profitable. So sometimes things are longer than planned, because the plan was to in 50 minutes to go in and out, but the market had another idea. So I made this video faster for you because the entire trade was on the live stream. So if you are interested to see the whole live stream with 1.5 hours, you can find it also on my channel. And for everyone else who wants to see the short clip, it's this one. It's about 10 minutes long. So then you can see how I managed it and the profit and how the market was performing. So if you are interested also on the trading strategy that I use at the moment on every trade that I do, and I also managed to get founded with You Profit Trader with this strategy, you can check out the first link in the description. There is the link that you will go to my trading strategy, and also if you want to get also a founded trading account by You Profit Trader, there's also a link in the description where you can get a discounted price on your evolution program. So on the program from You Profit Trader, on every single account size that you want, I think at the moment it's you will save 30% on your monthly subscription. So if you're interested, check it out, and you can try also to get the founded account. And like I told you, in the description is also my trading strategy. There is no monthly subscription. There is at the moment beta version of the trading course, so you will get it an discounted price, and you will receive lifetime updates on this course. There is many new videos planned, and there will be online soon the new videos. I am recording new videos, and I am editing the new videos. So if you're interested in this one to get it to a discounted price with lifetime updates, now is your chance, and check the first link in the description. So now you can see the trade till the end. I will put some background music in and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and let me a comment there. If you have any questions, I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.